we're going to write this flowchart and this pseudocode in JavaScript. If you haven't already, I suggest you perhaps look at one or two of the other language videos, but in particular PHP. You should always look at PHP and JavaScript sort of together because they work in the same medium, being a web page. Right, so let's get rid of our previous JavaScript. Let's save that. What I want to do is just check the HTML is not doing anything strange. Nope, it's just asking for my first. That's fine. Right, so I'm going to write this if statement, and if you remember, we set num to 6, and in JavaScript we need to start off with var num equals 6. So that's the first process. Now we're at the decision box, and the decision box is very similar to the way it was programmed in PHP. If you've seen that video, we start off with an if statement, and then we have the condition between two parentheses. So the condition here is if num is equal to 6. Now notice that I didn't put var num. I only need to declare it once. I can use it forever afterwards. PHP has a $sign in front of it all the way through the code. Wherever you use it, will still have the $sign, but it doesn't tell you what kind of information it is. So I need to open and close a set of curly braces, and my code is going to go in between. I've split them up. Rather than write them on one line, I've separated them out so I can indent things, make it look clearer. And now I'm going to print this to the screen, and the way that we do that is document dot write and the brackets num, and don't forget your semicolons at the end. So that is the way to write an if statement with no else or ifs. So I need to first of all run my first HTML. I think I've got it running here. There we go. So if I refresh that, there we go, and it prints 6 on the screen. Again, I could change the value to 5, and that would fail, so it would not come in and execute this line. It would just drop straight out and do nothing at all. Just check that works. So refresh, and there we go, we get nothing at all, which is exactly what we expected. So that is the if statement in JavaScript.